Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wondered how the products you buy every day could be connected to injustice? Today, we're talking about something powerful, boycotting Israeli products and why millions around the world are making this choice. Every year, countless innocent lives in Palestine suffer under occupation and violence. Supporting companies that fund or work with this system means we indirectly support their actions. Allah says in the Quran, and cooperate in righteousness and piety, but do not cooperate in sin and aggression. Surah Al-Ma'idah 5-2. This verse reminds us of our duty to stand for justice. Here are some companies linked to Israel and better options you can choose instead. Boycotting is peaceful. It's powerful. It's a message that we do not accept oppression. Share this video, talk to your friends, support local and ethical businesses. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. Subscribe for more animated Islamic content. Let's raise awareness and make a change, together with faith and unity.